Hello guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today, as you see by the title of the video, I am going to be building an underwater enchanting room, and it's going to have enchantment tables and brewing stands and all that stuff. And before I show you all that, I made a few changes since the last video. I now have a kitty cat named Mittens, and I also have white dyed leather boots, and these are supposed to be my Minecraft socks. And I wear my Minecraft socks around the house, and I put on my normal blue shoe when I go outside. So that's pretty cool. And I hope Mittens has a water breathing potion effect on her. Yeah, I think she does. I think she is safe to go under the water. And I have my water breathing potion effect too, as you can see. Oh no, but I only have 39 seconds left. Oh yeah, and I need to fix this side. I'll fix it later. There was a snow golem. I got a snow golem named Norman, and I accidentally punched him to death because he was getting in the way a lot, and he was never featured in a video. So yeah, that's the grave for Norman, and I made a few changes to the kitchen. Now that I have a kitty cat named Mittens, I have a kitty cat named Mittens, so now that I have a kitty cat, I made a food and water bowl for her. Mittens normally eats fish, but you can't place fish down in a food bowl or food fish. So I placed a cake down, and I told Mittens that if she wanted a fish or some milk, then she could tell me, and then I would give her a fish. And something really cool about kitty cats in Minecraft is something really cool about kitty cats in Minecraft is I'm waiting for Mittens. I need Mittens so I can show you guys. Where's Mittens? Mittens. Come here, kitty. Maybe Mittens is in my bedroom. Oh yeah, I made a few changes to the bedroom, I think. I think I added a few more vines, and the vines are starting to grow now. They are starting to grow. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of seaweed in my room now. Where's Mittens? Mittens? Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Dr. Prioris. I'll follow the sound of her meow. Maybe she's outside. Sound like it's coming from this way. I can hear her meow, and it's coming from there. Maybe she is outside. Mittens, come here, kitty. There she is. Mittens. Mittens, get out of the water. A cool thing about kitty cats is they like salmon. You can probably hear her purring. One time before I started making Minecraft videos, my mom tried to feed our cats fish because normally our cats eat like normal cat food, like I think it's called Meow Mix cat food or something. And like the Meow Mix cat food is not fish. And so one time while my dad was playing like an texture pack for me on Minecraft on the Xbox, my mom tried to feed the kitty cat salmon, or I don't think it was salmon, but it was some kind of fish. So that was cool. And today I'm going to be building an underwater magical enchanting room. So let's get started. First I'm gonna make Mittens sit down. Oh, sorry Mittens, I almost cut your tail off. I'm gonna make her stay with Trayaurus. Trayaurus, stop jumping on the cake. Trayaurus. Mitten, you stay here with Trayaurus. And don't eat the cake. Okay. The reason why all that cake is there is because, yesterday in real life, not in Minecraft, my family and I, well, my mom and my dad and I, not my sister, went to a wedding reception, and there were cupcakes there. There were like orange and blue icing cupcakes, and so, yeah, like I got that idea from the cupcakes to have a buffet in my dance party / air room, and like have cupcakes at a Minecraft buffet. So that was really cool. So yeah, I need to find out where I can build my magical enchantment. Ooh, I just found somewhere. I need to go outside. Okay. I had the idea to have like an archway from my room to the magical enchanting room. But I don't think that this is going to be big enough unless I dig it out. Dig it out, dig it out, dig it out. Dig it out, dig it out. Okay. How can I do the archway? How can I do the archway? I have to get rid of some seaweed. Okay. So you would come here. This should be the hallway. Okay, the sun is rising, I think. Yeah, it's rising. And right here is where the hallway is gonna be. It's going to be made out of purple and pink. I think clay. This is going to be the purple side. And this is going to be the pink side, and I really need torches to lighten up the place. Lighten up the place. Okay. This way. This way. There we go. Now what? That's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, favorite, and subscribe.